Hi there, I'm Jeff, and this is BetID. So in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the comparative adjective in Indonesian, as well as how you can make a comparative sentence in Indonesian. Let's get started. Good, better, bad, worse, important, more important, beautiful, more beautiful. So in English, you've got two kinds of comparative adjective. The first one is as in good and better, or bad and worse. So between the adjective and its comparative form, they are different. And the second one is as in important and more important, or beautiful and more beautiful. So you simply need to add more before the adjective to change it into its comparative form. But luckily in Indonesian, you simply need to add lebih before the adjective to change it into its comparative form. Baik, lebih baik. Buruk, lebih buruk. Penting, lebih penting. Cantik, lebih cantik. Now, how can you say something like, this car is better than that car? Well, it's simple. Mobil ini lebih baik daripada mobil itu. These clothes are worse than those clothes. Baju ini lebih buruk daripada baju itu. This matter is more important than that matter. Hal ini lebih penting daripada hal itu. This cat is more beautiful than that cat. Kucing ini lebih baik daripada kucing itu. So you can say either daripada or dari in a comparative sentence. So now I need your help to translate this English sentence down below to Indonesian. My computer is faster than yours. How would you say that in Indonesian? That's it from me. Dadah. Sampai jumpa.